Hey there, space enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into some stellar news about the asteroid 2024 YR4, which was causing quite a stir just last week. This massive space rock was labeled the most dangerous asteroid in history. But guess what? It's no longer a threat to Earth. According to the latest data from NASA and the European Space Agency, the chances of 2024 YR4 hitting Earth in December 2032 are now less than 0.002%. That's a 1 in 20,000 chance, or a 99.998% chance it will safely pass by us. So, how did the risk assessment change so dramatically? After its discovery on December 27, 2024, scientists quickly turned their attention to this asteroid. It even scored a 3 on the Torino Scale, the highest rating since Apophis in 2004. Initial calculations gave it a worrying 3.1% chance of colliding with Earth, which naturally caused a bit of a media frenzy. But as more observations were made, the calculations got refined. Data from NASA's Minor Planet Center and Jet Propulsion Laboratory showed that 2024 YR4's trajectory was moving away from Earth. Now, it has a rating of 0 on the Torino Scale, meaning there is no danger to Earth. Why do new asteroids seem so dangerous at first? Well, tracking newly discovered asteroids is a complex process with a lot of initial uncertainty. For 2024 YR4, its relatively small size, between 40 and 90 meters, like a large building, made the calculations tricky. It's similar to what happened with Apophis. Initial data made it seem risky, but further observations refined its path. Richard Binzel, the developer of the Torino Scale, credits the rapid refinement of 2024 YR4's orbit to the diligent work of astronomers. Observatories in Hawaii, Chile, Arizona, New Mexico, and the Canary Islands played crucial roles in tracking it. Especially after the February full moon, conditions were perfect for observing faint celestial bodies. Now, as 2024 YR4 moves away, it will become invisible to ground-based telescopes by April and won't return until 2028. But don't worry, scientists plan to keep an eye on it. The James Webb Space Telescope will study it in early March to determine its exact size and orbital parameters. So, while 2024 YR4 is off the danger list, this case highlights the importance of continuous monitoring of near-Earth objects. The more we observe, the fewer surprises we'll have in the future. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this update, please like, share, and subscribe. And drop your comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Catch you next time.